Not all thinning scissors are the same. And this confusion is one of the biggest reasons people end up with hair that feels uneven or over-thinned. And you're going to want to stick around until the end because you're going to learn the difference between thinning shears and texturizing shears, and why using the wrong one can completely change the outcome of the haircut. To most people, and even a lot of newer stylists, some older stylists too, these tools look identical. Well, they both have teeth and they both remove hair, so they get used the same way. But they're not the same. And using them interchangeably is where a lot of problems begin. Here's the key difference. Thinning shears remove a larger percentage of hair with each cut. Texturizing shears remove a smaller, more controlled amount. That difference might not seem like a big deal, but in hair cutting, it's everything, because once hair is removed, it can't be put back. So if too much is taken out too quickly, you lose control over the entire shape of your haircut. Think of it like seasoning food. A little bit enhances everything, but too much and you can't fix it. Understanding the tool allows you to control the result. Texturizing shears are typically used for softening, blending, or refining. Thinning shears are stronger and need to be used in a much more cautious way. And in many cases, even these tools can be replaced with precision cutting techniques that give you even more control. The goal is never to just remove hair. It's to create intention behind every cut. When the tool is used in the right way, your haircut will feel balanced. It'll look natural and it'll style easily. And most importantly, it grows out beautifully. So if your hair has ever felt like over-thinned or uneven, there's a good chance that the wrong tool or too much of it was used. If you've ever struggled to understand why your hair isn't responding the way it should, my Good Hair Day Energy Kit can help you figure that out quickly, so you can stop guessing and start getting results. The link is below. And always remember, when you know better, you do better.